What if your imagination could become a piece of art? That's exactly what Leonardo AI does, a powerful AI model that turns text prompts into highly detailed, stunning visuals. Let's break it down. It starts with a simple sentence. For example, an ancient warrior standing on a cliff, cinematic lighting, hyper-realistic. This sentence is converted into tokens, smaller parts that the AI can process. These tokens are transformed into numerical embeddings, capturing both meaning and context. Then, Leonardo AI selects the best visual style based on your prompt. Whether it's 3D, anime, photorealistic, or concept art, the model adapts to your intent. Once the style is locked in, the image generation begins. The process uses a powerful technique called diffusion. It starts with pure noise, a random mess of pixels, and slowly refines that noise into meaningful structure. Step by step, the image sharpens, colors emerge, details appear, lighting aligns. Leonardo AI doesn't just copy patterns, it interprets your words artistically. It understands the emotion, composition, and aesthetics. What makes it special is the balance between control and creativity. You guide it with your prompt. It fills in the beauty. This is not just AI-generated art. It's co-creation between human imagination and machine intelligence. This is Leonardo AI.